Let's bring back the guidelines. Press Control or Command plus semicolon. And select this one. From the toolbar, the round rectangle tool. Drag a shape here, which is 118 by 118. Just draw a shape and release the mouse. Go to the properties. Type 118 by 118. Press Enter. And for the border color, select Fill Color. Deselect it so no color will be filled. Select the stroke. Let's make it 1 pixel. And for the color, select Color and put the hex code B7, 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 which would be the gray color. Click OK. And select the Move tool. Oops, go back to that layer. And go to the Properties panel. Select the Fill Color, or select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar. And from the option bar, select Fill Color. Make it complete white. The hex code is FFFFFF. Click OK. Select the Move tool and align this shape with the guideline. Okay, and now go to the exercise file. From there, select gps.png. Open this one in Photoshop. Bring this one and place it inside our working document. Place it here. Let's colorize this icon. Select Effects. While this layer is selected, select Color Overlay. Okay, the color hex code is B2, B2, B2. Click OK. And right-click the mouse button. Select Convert to Smart Object. We have to resize this icon now. Press Ctrl or Command plus T in order to resize it. While resizing, hold down the Shift plus Alt key together. Click OK. Place it in the middle of the shape. Okay. So let's increase the border stroke to 2 pixels. Click on our round rectangle shape again. Select this one again from the toolbar, that round rectangle shape, and go to the stroke. Change this to 2 pixels. Type 2. Select all and type 2 and press Enter. Let's zoom out. Okay, fine. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl or Command plus 0 to see our actual size. Command or Control plus semicolon to hide all the guidelines. So now let's zoom in a little bit and go to the exercise file. From there, bring the Visa PNG to Photoshop. Bring this one to our working document. Place it here. Okay, let's resize this one. Control or Command plus T to resize. While resizing, hold the Alt or Option key. Okay, click OK from the option bar to accept it. And select this T from the toolbar, or press T from the keyboard and click here and type something like 4098. Click OK. Select from the toolbar the Move tool and bring this one to here. Place this text in the middle. OK. Double click here again. Let's type here personal. And then make some space between this. Command plus or Control plus Enter in order to accept it. Bring this one to here. Okay, let's zoom out. Control or Command plus 0 to see the actual size. Okay, great. We have this one. Great. And now we will fill these two boxes beneath this visa. Again, select the T from the toolbar or press T from the keyboard. Click here and type here fair estimate. Click OK from the option bar. Select the Move tool. Bring this one to here. Let's zoom in to see it better. Fair estimate. Put it here. Press the down arrow key 2 times. Go to the exercise file. And this time bring this one, card PNG. Bring this to Photoshop. Drag and drop inside this document. Let's drop in the center. So bring from here to here again. Zoom in. Control or Command plus T to resize this card PNG. While resizing, hold down the Shift key. Click OK. Zoom in. Zoom out. Select our fair estimate and make sure this text would be in the middle of this box. OK. Select the card now. Okay, great. Again, while selecting the fair estimate from the layer panel, hold down the Alt or Option key and drag to make a duplicate copy of the fair estimate. Place it here. Double-click on this text and type here, promo. And this text would be all capital letters. Command or Control plus Enter in order to accept this text. Let's bring in a guideline. Okay, yeah, it's aligned. And make sure it is in the middle of this box. Go to the exercise file. From there, bring this one, Promo PNG. Open this one with Photoshop. And drag and drop it to our working document. Bring it to here. Okay. Bring a guideline. Okay. It's bigger at the bottom. So let's zoom in. Select the card. Press Control or Command plus T. Hold the Shift key. Increase the size of this. Click OK. Great. So we have another box filled with the text and some icons, which are personal, Visa card, and the promo. We have lots of layers, so let's organize the layers now. Hold down Control or Command key and click here. And select this one. No. Hold down the Control or Command key and hold down Shift key as well. Hold Shift and Control or Command key. Click here on this GPS icon also. So that means the previously selected and the new one will be selected together. Now press Control or Command plus G to make it a group. Double click here, type GPS, press Enter. Now we have the line. Command or Control plus semicolon to hide the guidelines. Select this one, the Shape 1 copy, which is the line. Hold Control or Command key and select this one also, Shape 1. So these two lines are selected. And now select this one, also the round rectangle, which is this shape. And select select the fair estimate. Select personal, which is the card number. Select promo. And select the two icons for the promo and the fair estimate. And select the Visa icon. And press Control or Command plus G. And double click here. Type payment. Press Enter. So now we've organized our layer panel and go to bring back the guidelines or grab a guide from the top bar so that all the guidelines will appear. And place this guideline at 1560. Leave it. So now we have a guideline at 1560, and now bring a round rectangle shape from the toolbar. Select round rectangle tool, and from this corner, drag a shape, and make sure its height is 152. Release it. So now we have a shape from this guideline to this one, and the height is 152 pixels. The fill color will be totally black. And select the T from the toolbar. Let's minimize this one. Select the T from the toolbar and click here. Type here, request VIP. Control or Command plus Enter. Select the Move tool and bring this layer, this text layer to here. Place it in the middle. Go to the character panel. See, it is Helvetica New Medium. Let's increase the size to 45. Color will be totally white, so the hex code is FFFFFF. Click OK. Minimize. Select the Move tool. Again, place it in the middle. OK. So now we're almost done with our screen. And now we just need to add a drop shadow. So let's zoom in or press Control Command plus 0. Control Command plus semicolon. You remember that we put some drop shadow in this rectangle shape. And here, let's select the Government Center. Expand this group and select this one. This rectangle shape has a drop shadow. The layer effect of drop shadow. Select this shape from the layer panel. Right click on the mouse button. Then you will see some options. From here, select Copy Layer Style. That means the drop shadow of our layer style for this layer would be copied, which is the drop shadow. Copy it. And let's go back and select this one. The Request VIP shape. This one. While this layer is selected, right-click the mouse button and paste layer style here. So you will have some sort of drop shadow here. See, the difference is very subtle. Again, hold down Control or Command key and click here in this shape. So this shape would be selected from the layer panel. While this layer is selected, right-click the mouse button and select Paste Layer Style. So the drop shadow would be pasted here also. See the differences? Look. Okay, so now we have the drop shadow for both shapes, the black and white. Let's shrink all the groups. Okay. Go to the exercise file. From there, bring the navigation PNG. Open it with Photoshop. See, this layer is layer 0 and not locked because this layer in PNG format. So select this one while selecting the Move tool and drag and drop to our working document. Let's zoom in. Place this navigation in the bottom side. Make sure there is no gap. Okay, let's press the up arrow key one time. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And one time the down arrow key. And one time left arrow key. Okay. Now zoom out. Yeah, we have exact the same place. In that place, we need to place our navigation. And now select so everything is done. And now we need to add text. So select T from the toolbar or press T from the keyboard and click here. Type here this text. Click OK from the option bar. Select the Move tool. See the text? Pickup time is approximately 15 minutes. Let's press the down arrow key one time, 2 times. Okay, so this text is in the center. Now press Control or Command plus 0 and see our Uber confirmation screen. See how it looks? It looks awesome. So thank you very much for watching this lecture, and see you in our next lecture.